Hey everybody, Luke here again. Got another review, sort of a review slash first impressions of a polish, marine polish. I've had this in my kit for probably a year now and haven't used it, so I don't know why I haven't used it. I just haven't. This is marine polish from CSI. It's Clear Coat Solutions. You may recognize this CSI brand from Darren of Auto Fetish. He uses these. He's like part owner maybe of this company. They also make compound for clear coat and stuff. They have this polish. They also have a compound. These are, as I said, like water-based, waterborne technology. So it's supposed to work good in the sun, as usual. So this is their polish. I just used it a little bit on the front of this hole here. So far it's working really good. So just figured I'd give a first impression review on this. So I guess I'll run through how I've been using it on this sailboat hull. Just so you know, that something weird with this gel coat. I did the other side yesterday. Every polish compound I've tried on this, I've tried a different pad. For some reason, everything I use is kind of bonding to the surface, so it doesn't wipe off with the towel. So you'll see me, I have to take it off with my hand. It's just what I figured out that worked. I'm also going to be panel wiping this before I apply protection. I'll be making another video on that later, reviewing what I'm using. So anyway, back to the business on this marine polish. Okay, so I'm using my Makita for the hull, 6-inch backing plate. Rupes Foam Pad has been working. It's providing enough cut between the pad and the polish to remove what little bit is on the surface that I needed to take care of. I maintenance wash this boat once a month and then usually detail it like this once a year. Okay, so always shake as usual. This is supposed to remove anything between 1,000 and 1,500 grit sanding, so that's a pretty average, like medium compound or polish, however you want to name it. I would call it a polish, medium compound. Anyway, okay, so I'm using 3 dots. This is pretty liquidy because it's water based. This is the way I usually do. So I'm working like here is my section, and then applying more and going down low. So 3 swipes, kind of get spread out. Always speed 1. And Rotary on gel coat for me, always speed 1. Spread out the product. So I've been able to work this round edge with the foam pad, and it hasn't been leaving any rotary marks, so that's good. I use the polish isn't too strong, not too abrasive. I guess medium pressure. Been doing like 3 kind of quick passes and been running through. There's like drip lines on this hole and a little bit of oxidation, so I'm just making sure once that's removed, it's been leaving a really good finish. Nice and shiny. So however many passes it takes for the boat you're working on. Every boat has something weird in the gel coat that you're just going to have to figure out once you gain the experience and just go to diagnose that. quickly like how I'm doing with the bonded product. The towel just won't remove it for some reason. I'm just tapping the rubber with my hand and I figured it out and I took it off. So we're making a noise and the polish is blowing. And I tilt the polisher to give them this concave area of the hull. And we're going to the convex roundabout. It's been working, so just to show you how to demonstrate, like the towel is kind of will get some of the polish off, but like if you look down you see the haze, and then but I don't know why this is happening. I can't figure it out. If anybody knows, please leave me a comment. But you can see this is what's taken the compound or polish, everything I tried on the other side. Every pad combination, polish, compound combination. This is what has been happening. So once I get it loosened up with my hand, the rest of it comes off with the towel, and then when I use a panel wipe, it gets it all off. So I don't know. This is the one thing that's this curveball of this boat has thrown at me, and so this is what it takes to just get through it. So that looks really great. It got the drip lines off once you remove the polish. So if you can see, there's like the oxidation and a drip line. It's probably hard to see, but there's like all these drip lines, and so you can see there's still some polish left, but overall really, really good shine, and quick and easy. I'm sure this would be really nice if you didn't have to deal with it, if it would just remove with the towel. But so yeah, first impressions is I'm a fan. This worked quick and produced really good shine, which I liked. I'm not sure if it's diminishing abrasive or not. That would be a good question to find out. What does it say? It says Marine Polish, especially formulated fast and effective single polish system, ceramic type clear finishes resulting in superior swirl-free finish. Marine Polish will remove color, sanding, scratches, swirl marks, oxidation on both new and cured paint. I mean marine paint, I guess. Marine polish can be used by hand polishing or powered buffer. And then normal several passes. It's pretty much standard. It doesn't say if it's diminishing. It'd be cool if it's not. Sometimes I like diminishing, sometimes I don't. If this is not, then yeah, I'm gonna use this more, so it's cool. I like it. Thumbs up by me. So I'll try to leave a link to their website. I forget where I bought this because I've had it for quite a while. I used the compound and it was good. This is my first time using the polish that I can remember. So yep, it's good. Okay, stay tuned for more. I'm going to be doing a review on the protection product I've been using on this boat. So another video coming soon. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks to all the new subscribers. Been getting a couple lately. Really appreciate it. Helps me out. I'm trying to get the word out. Hopefully, just not too many people doing reviews on boat products, and then I do some how I do videos, not how to's, but how I's. So, okay, thanks. See you later.